Well, I would say the PD classes have touched my life in a very special way. The first incident which I actually thought that PD classes are helping me is I was supposed to go for a demo lecture with somebody to a call center, and when I entered the place, people were just staring at me, and I had an expression like this. And that time I could just recall Sir's smile. And I could just recall that Sir is smiling all the time, and since he smiles, it puts a smile on our faces too. So I just had a big smile, and all throughout I kept smiling. So I felt that people around me were comfortable. And in that demo lecture itself, I was asked to speak. So since in all my PD classes I look down and speak, so that time I made it a point to look into everybody's eye and speak. And even though people were elder to me, I could very confidently look into their eyes and speak. So I think that was the time that I realized their PD classes are really helping me. And the things which we are taught here, I don't consciously try to put it into practice, but when I'm in a situation which opposes me, those things automatically come rushing to my mind. So, like in this case, when I went to the call center, I could just recall Sir's smile, just like that. And even I have a list of things. I always knew that at the end of the day, we should sit with ourselves and do some self-analysis, but I never bothered to do it. But since every week we are supposed to come and speak on a topic, so we had to prepare it. So it helped me realize my happiest moments, my dreams, my strengths and my weaknesses. So I'm really thankful to Sir and for the PD class, otherwise I wouldn't have ever done it. And the book, of course. I got the book How to Remain Ever Happy. I hate reading books, but and when I got the book, I decided that I'm not going to read it. But Sir said that's an assignment to read it and share a few points the next week. So I said, shit, yaar, to padhna padega. So, and those 2 days I was feeling very low. So I said, okay, let's give it a try. So I read that book, and it really changed my perception towards happiness. Now I feel that accessing happiness is so easy. All you need to do is just smile. And I remember this one quote which I really liked. Happiness is not loving what you want to do, but it is loving what you have to do. So it has really helped me over the time, and I really like the book. So it has really changed my life. And the thank you card, of course. I have been distributing thank you cards from the last few days, and I gave the first thank you card to my mom and my brother. And I extend a word of thank you to them for all they've done, and also I thank them in advance. I so wanted a cell phone from a long time, so I just thank them in advance for gifting me that cell phone. And finally, 2 days back, I just got the cell phone, so I'm so happy. So the thank you card really helped me. And from the last 2 days, I've been feeling a little low and depressed, and the things which we've been taught here, I just keep telling myself that no, I have to be happy, I have to smile, I have to be optimistic, this, that. So it is really helping me. So I really thank Sir, Ma'am, PD class, college and Principal Ma'am that they introduced the PD class, and it has really changed me and my life. Thank you, sir.